1. Set up React project. Start by creating a new React project using Create React App. Bash. Sachep ma. npx create React App e-commerce site. cd e-commerce site. npm start. 1. To install dependencies. Install necessary packages such as React Router DOM for routing, Axios for API requests, Redux for state management, and Redux Thunk for handling async actions. Bash. Sachep ma. npm install React Router DOM Axios Redux Redux Thunk. 1. 3. Create the folder structure. Your folder structure might look something like this. Bash. Sachep ma. /e-commerce site. /public. /src. /assets. /components. /containers. /pages. /redux. /utils. app. JS. Index. JS. 1. For build the components. Create the main components like product list, displays all products. Product details, displays individual product details. Cart, allows users to view and manage items added to the cart. Checkout, for the user to input shipping details and make the payment. JavaScript. Sachep ma. // product list. JS. Import React. Use state. Use effect, from React. Import Axios from Axios. Const product list equals const products. Set products equals use state. Use effect equals Axios. Get /API /products / fetch products from backend API. Then response equals set products response data. Return. Div class name equals product list. Products. Map product equals div key equals product. ID class name equals product. h3 product. Name /h3. img src equals product. Image alt equals product. Name /p product. Price /p. Button add to cart /button /div. Export default product list. 1. 5. Set up routing. Use React Router DOM to set up routes for your components. JavaScript. Sachep ma. Import browser router as router. Route. Switch from React Router DOM. Import product list from /components /product list. Import cart from /components /cart. Import checkout from /components /checkout. Function app. Return. Router. Switch. Route path equals / exact component equals product list / route path equals /cart component equals cart / route path equals /checkout component equals checkout / switch / router. Export default app. 1. 6. Use Redux for global state to manage the cart and user authentication across different components. You can use Redux. For example, you can create actions like add to cart and remove from cart, and store them in the Redux store. JavaScript. Sachep ma. // actions /cart actions. JS. Export const add to cart equals product equals type add_to_cart. Payload product. 1. 7. Add payment integration. For payments, you can integrate services like Stripe or PayPal to handle online transactions. Bash. Sachep ma. npm install at stripe /react stripe.js at stripe/stripe.js. JavaScript. Sachep ma. // checkout. JS. Example using Stripe. Import React from React. Import use Stripe. Use elements. Card element from at stripe/react stripe.js. Const checkout equals const stripe equals use Stripe. Const elements equals use elements. Const handle submit equals async event equals event. Prevent default. Const error. Payment intent equals await Stripe. Confirm card payment client secret payment _method card elements. Get element card element. If error console error else console log payment successful payment intent. Return. Form on submit equals handle submit card element / button type equals submit disabled equals Stripe, pay now /button, /form. Export default checkout. 2. Backend development, Node.js plus Express.js. 2. 1. Set up the backend. Create a new directory for the backend, and install necessary packages. Bash, sachepma, mdir backend, cd backend, npm init y, npm install express mongoose cores.env. 2. 2. Set up Express server. Create an Express server to handle API requests. JavaScript, sachepma, //server, JS, const express equals require, express. Const mongoose equals require, mongoose. Const cores equals require, cores. Const dotenv equals require, dotenv. Dotenv, config. Const app equals express. App, use, cores. App, use, express. JSON. // MongoDB connection. Mongoose. Connect, process. env. mongob_URI. Use new URL parser, true. Use unified topology, true. // routes for products. Const product routes equals require. /routes /product routes. App, use /API /products. Product routes. // listen on port 5000. App, listen, 5000. Console, log, server running on port 5000. 2. 3. Create product model. Define the schema for your products. JavaScript, sachepma, // models /product. JS, const mongoose equals require, mongoose. Const product schema equals new mongoose. Schema, name, string. Price, number. Description, string. Image, string.